Yo, hello everyone. Welcome to a new live stream. Welcome to the stock market live stream, as usual for every day. So, what do we have today? Today, of course, the shutdown of the government looming, and of course, yeah, this is very fundamental stuff. But we're gonna see what's gonna reflect, of course, in our stock market. Let me welcome all of you. Felix, hello, buddy. Nice to see you. Shafi, again, welcome in the second live stream for today. Thank you very much, Shafi, for being there and always reminds us with the likes and the share for the stream. Thank you. And thank you for your support, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and, of course, subscribe if you didn't yet, or if you're still new. Welcome to the channel as well. Incredible Jackman, welcome, buddy. You're asking for hymns, so let's see hymns. All right. So we have, of course, some special requests from Discord as well. And Camel Blue, hi KG. I hope you're doing well. Please, DeFi technology. DeFi, all right. Camel Blue, welcome. Fabio, hello, hello. Good morning, buddy. Nice to see you here from Peru. Wow. Very long from Germany. And that is a pleasure, buddy. That is a pleasure to have very far people from here and to have some interaction here. Cool. Good day to you too, Tony. Nice to see you, buddy. Our Discord member as well. Colby is the same. Hi, hi, hi. And Paul, another day, another live stream. Nice. Could you please look at MRNA? Yes, we're gonna see what is that. Arcane, welcome, buddy. Nice to see you. And of course, Arcane always our. I would say he never miss any stream. Very nice to see you, Totti. Hello, KG. Very, very long time ago. See you. Yes, it is. Nice to see you as well, buddy. And of course, let's see what do we have today. So we're going to start with NASDAQ at 12 minutes here. And and Incredible Jackman asking, I am in Discord where I can ask for request. Very easy. It is over there. Let me show you exactly. The stock TA request means stock market TA request. As you can see, every day all the Discord membership put their requests there, and I collect them, of course, before the live stream. And you can simply write it as well there, buddy. Okay. So of course, guys, our memberships has a priority, of course, and of course YouTube members are the same. So of course, because you have access to Discord as well. So all right. So basically, what we are looking for NASDAQ right now is that we have, of course, a corrective wave downward, of course, after this stop here. And we mentioned before in the live stream that this is corrective. Therefore, we're looking for a higher, right? Now we start to see, of course, higher prices, 1, 2, 3, and then, of course, wave for invalidation. Now, this means two things. Whether we are in a deeper correction, ABC toward the downside. Wave 4 extended rather than just finish with this corrective wave, extending to this. Or bullish, meaning higher prices from there, despite the invalidation. Invalidation means 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, I know it sounds like a very low probability because the third 1, 2 is huge and big, but still a probability. Okay, still a probability, even if it is low, still there, and we still have to estimate it. Meaning, currently, since we took invalidation, there is no really wave 5, only potentially triple 1, 2s. But invalidation of any bullish scenario, meaning the triple 1, 2, is exactly taking this one. Invalidation of bullish, meaning once you take the low here, there is no 1, 2 anymore, definitely. We're moving, of course, to 24K. Currently, we see a very nice reaction from the 1-to-1 fib level after an ABC here, and we start to move towards the upside. Is it the 1-2-1-2, the low probability unfolding? Well, can be, guys. Again, it is a probability because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well, ABC. If we move inside it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, right? So it is moving impulsively somehow. Once we take the high, we confirm five ways. We confirm the direction of the market towards the upside. Meaning higher possibility despite that it is a bigger 1, 2. However, the momentum still preserving somehow, right? Still preserving higher highs, higher lows. We might simply continue towards the upside. Okay? So we gotta be careful with this one. Once we get this high, which is very, very close to take it, and I believe we will, right? On 5 minutes, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, definitely. We're gonna take the high here, and we're gonna see, of course, another wave 1, 2, and then continuation towards the upside, or at least ABC if the things are fundamentally a little bit creepy in the market and affecting psychology. Can be ABC and then moving down later on. We're gonna see. But currently, we have to be careful from the triple 1, 2s. Okay? To finish up, of course, our scenario. Therefore, this scenario is gone. We still have a 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's label, of course. We have a 1, 2 here. This is your gray scenario. We have another, potential 1, 2 here. 3, 4, and a 5. Sorry, the wave 1 is there. And this is your white. And this is going to be the blue. Here we go. Okay, so 3, 4, 5. Blue zone. Yep. I'm going to put this in yellow. And this is going to be in brackets orange. Here we go. So we finish with this. We might finish a 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 can be, of course, still be finished here in case we are bullish. And you have several 1, 2s. You're looking for 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 to hit, of course, the blue zone here. Then you still have, don't forget, 1, 2 in orange, wave 4, wave 5 to hit 26K. Very likely. Yep, very likely. And also this possibility of triple 1, 2 also is very likely for today. Forget what is going on in the U.S. government, the looming of shutdown and blah, blah, blah. It's totally fundamentals. Everything is already sold. Everything is already bought in case this news is going to be traded. It has been already taken. Okay. Whales and ETF and, of course, institution will not wait until today to buy or sell. Okay. Meaning, if we see price action today showing higher prices, that means they already started from yesterday. Okay, so, and if the news is negative, yeah, very likely to see positive, as usual, right? And maybe this was the thing already about the government shutdown. Okay, and I believe so because we were already in wave 3 and they start to talk about the shutdown. Okay, already traded. It's too late for it, guys. Okay, we are technical and we look, of course, for higher. So don't get distracted with some noises, of course, of fundamentals. Yep, so that's it regarding NASDAQ. I'm still looking for higher for today as highest possibility invalidation of bullish given. So let's watch it. And if it happened, of course, we have our next target, which is lower. Now, for SPX 500 as well, we see, of course, as well as this scenario where we have a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished actually, where you might have finished here a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 can be, of course. You can be even in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. However, this way 4 invalidated, right? Unless, again, yeah, it's very hard to take it as triple 1, 2, but it's still, guys, it is a low possibility. I believe so, yes. But don't forget, this is corrective. So far, this looks very corrective. Sorry for the noise. A, B, and a C, of course, expanding flat. We move toward the upside. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay. It can be that you got a kind of like several 1, 2s, and then we move for higher. All right. Again, shut down fundamentals already there, already played. You know, so this is fundamentals, by the way. Always like that. So basically, it shows potential for higher. 15-minute chart, is it an impulse? Yes, definitely. You took already the high. You have already took the high. And that means, of course, you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, took the high, finished. Meaning 1, 2 is preparing, of course, to move for higher. Direction of the market, because you got an impulse, is toward the upside on the micro level. Why on the micro level so far? Because, again, I repeat, you might have ABC, zigzag, and probably moving down on the macro level again. But on the micro level, we're moving for higher. Okay, so of course, don't forget there is some retracement for wave 2 before, yeah, and then moving for higher. Yeah, so this is the thing. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking for right now. So let me label also the the SPX here. We might be, of course, in a big wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. In a gray, we might be also in a big 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5 in the white. And finally, we might be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in the blue. And this is gonna finish your yellow scenario, wave 5. Here we go. And the bracket scenario in orange, wave 3. Plus, don't forget, after these those 1, 2s here, you might get, of course, the blue box again, wave 4, because you have 1, 2 in the orange, wave 3, 4, and a 5. Perfect hit. Yep. Great. I'm still looking for higher. Okay, let's give the invalidation of bullish by taking simply this low. Okay, meaning your 1, 2 is invalidated. Okay, we move to the next target, 6,553. All right, that's it for the US stock market indexes. Incredible Jackman, yes, already replied. Chianzu, hello, hello, hi together. QGEN, okay, we can see QGEN. Illusion Trade, hello, buddy. Wishing you a nice day as well. Thank you, buddy. And of course, trade safe always and wish you luck as well. S Bright, hello. Would you like Meta? Okay, yes. Of course, we can do Meta. And it's gonna be, of course, if we have more time, we're gonna take further requests. Let's see the gold, guys. Let's see the gold. This giant lately to see what's going on in it. All right. Wow. Okay. So the gold is still looking for higher here. As mentioned yesterday, we took, of course, our waves here in an impulse. Let me check again. All right. What is that wave exactly? Yes, it is an impulse. You have a 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5 extended. Wave 5 is 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. We're still looking for higher a little bit. Can be finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, cannot be finished yet. because even if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, invalidation. So no, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, let me think also to not be just blinded with bullish. So I'm expecting higher, of course, for bullish. Now, if we are bearish, let's see the other point of view. W, X, and a Y. Okay. So if we are in W, X, and a Y, let's see the fib level for expanding flat. All right. Okay. So key level then would be key level. Okay, key level is there. Here we go. Invalidation of bullish. All right. So meaning, let me explain. So meaning, if we are in a final wave 5 here, because we are in a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 extended, the wave 5 here can be, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But the wave 5 is not yet finished. We need one more leg upward. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If we take anyways this invalidation here, because it can be possible, yeah, it can be very possible that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. That is this, of course, your invalidation of bullish. Okay, so there is several readings here. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but also this is an impulse can be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, 4, and 5, which I like it much better. Extended wave 1 and shorter wave 3, 4, and a 5. But that means the wave 5 is gonna be short, guys. Be careful. Because you have extended wave 1, only one wave between the 1, 3, and 5 has to be extended. Normally, extended wave 1 means shorter wave 3, and here we go. But meaning short wave 3, that means wave 5 shorter than the wave 3. Therefore, I'm still looking for a little bit higher, but be careful. It might be the finish. Okay, because even with this high, guess what, guys? Even with this one more high, you're still around the 1.38. And I'm afraid of this W, X, and a Y, meaning zigzag, A, B, and a C, A, B, and a C, and an X in between, turning into 3 waves down, 3 waves up, expanding flat wave C, deeper correction. However, in both case scenarios, even if I am bullish and I'm still looking for a little bit higher, you finish this impulse with one more leg and you move down for any kind of correction, which is your wave 4. So yes, the gold might start, of course, looking for a little bit lower, but corrective, nothing like very bearish. Okay, corrective. So this is the idea. Let's watch the 1.38. Now, if the 1.38 broken and we start to see decisively move toward the upside here, okay, the things might be even expanding. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, but very low possibility so far based on the shape and on the pattern. Okay. All right. So this is my expectation for the gold. I'm expecting a little bit one more high and moving down. This is what I'm expecting for today for the gold. Okay, we'll see what's gonna happen. If not, if broken 1.38, which is a key level as well, meaning a little bit higher prices as well. All right. B2 and Goldie, okay. That means Bitcoin and gold. That's nice. You cuddle them. That's a very nice nickname. You cuddle Bitcoin and the gold. Okay, B2 and Goldie. All right, that's cute. Hi KG, what is the max target? I think for the gold here, you mean? For me, 3,900 for so far. But if broken, yeah, expect the 4K definitely, which is psychological. Yep. So, all right, great. That it regarding the gold. Let's see Tesla at 28 minutes. Okay, for Tesla, yeah, so we're looking still for higher. Definitely, we're still looking for the one-to-one fib level. Still looking great, I would say, because you have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 waves down for wave 2. You have another 1, 2 yesterday, and here we go. We launch our wave 3 toward the upside, which it might be, of course, here your 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Definitely 475 will be taken. Everything's still looking fine in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. Potentially, yes, I'm looking for higher later on, but okay, let's keep this for later on. Currently, 475. Everything looks great for Tesla, and especially that this ABC, A, triangle, C, obviously your wave C is double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, is gonna hit our blue box, which is also in a bigger scenario, an ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, blue box. Fib levels, perfect fib levels. So very clear chart for Tesla. Thank you, Tesla, for not complicating the things. All right, Nvidia. Oopsie. Okay. Oh, wow. Nvidia, yes, target hit perfectly as expected as well. Blue zone taken. And we're looking here for a potential, the leading diagonal. Here we go. We got it. And we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Perfect hit. A, B, and a C. The wave C is unfolding as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Currently, we took the high. We took all the highs. We hit the blue box now. Now it comes, of course, the scenario where we start to see what's going to happen. Meaning, if the price continues for higher, hit the one-to-one fib level, wave 5 becomes longer than wave 3, which is not allowed. Therefore, I'm expecting one more leg, honestly, probably, and then moving down. Okay, it should be done and finished for Tesla. Okay, and it should be a wave 1 there. Big wave 1, meaning we are looking for wave 2. By the way, target, also the overall target of the whole thing here is hit as well. Here we go. This is our blue box. I love it. I love it when we comes to this far. We started from there, step by step, every day to catch, of course, this target. Here we go. We are there. Currently, very likely, wave 2 as an impulse might be moving to this blue box. $140 potentially for a wave 2. Timing taken from the zone 1, wave 2. Here we go. It's gonna need a lot of time, guys. I don't know what they will call this because I see, of course, NASDAQ is moving for higher a little bit still and very close for a wave 1 to be done and finish. The same for SPX. I see many stocks from yesterday. They hit the zone 1 and are ready to move for lower for wave 2. So I don't know what they will call this, guys, in the next few weeks. Yeah. So we're gonna hear a lot of crying and so on. Recession. Stock market is plunging. Yeah. So I don't know what it's gonna be. Whatever it's gonna be, technically it has to be. Okay. I don't care what it's gonna be on the economy, on the US, on the worldwide. Is it the global tension? Is it I don't know what it is. It has to be. It has to be a wave 2. Okay, there is no escape from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You got your profit. It's time for correction. Okay, the market is never just upward. Okay, so definitely we're gonna come to this area. Yep. Fabio, thanks for the updates on NASDAQ and GC. You mean gold, I think, right? I think so. You're very welcome, buddy. Very, very welcome, my friend. I'm always glad that it helps. I'm always also glad to give also much more education, more as just like signals and analyzing the market. And this is the channel goal. Thank you, buddy, and thank you for your support, all of you guys. So 33 minute 30, we go for Palantir. Palantir, here we go. As mentioned, again, the same as for Nvidia, I see Palantir also topping for a wave 3, meaning a potential large correction for a wave 4. Let's go all-time history. So we are in Palantir here, a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finished wave 3. Therefore, I'm expecting a very deeper wave 4 here, that it might be unfolding. This wave 4 is taken from the wave 2. Well, actually, it's not going to be a catastrophe because you already hit the 0.23. Yeah. But the question mark, is it ready to move for higher? Let's move inside it. We start to see something like moving up. Yeah. We see kind of like an impulsive wave. It looks like an impulse here. If you want to consider 1, 2, wow, that's so hard. 1, A, B, and a C, no. 1, W, X, and a Y, yes. Can be a 1, 2, yes. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correction, not hitting even the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning this is a zigzag. I don't like it, right? We don't like it. I think this is a huge complex structure. Yeah, I don't see it really very, very bullish. Let me check. Yeah, even not hit 1-to-1 fib level. Okay, let's say 1, 2, wave 3. Yeah, that's why it's not so much convincing. I mean, okay, you hit the 1.27, which is the minimum target for a wave 3 here, minimum target or uncommon target, 1.27, and then you get wave 5. Now, after wave 5, you still see correction. This is a question mark here. Why we still corrective? Is it transforming to something complex, meaning zigzag, correction, zigzag, A, B, and a C, expanding flat? Very likely. Therefore, both case scenarios, meaning if you are bullish, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, maybe not finished. That's why we see a sideways and correction and you're looking for high. Or you are in a W, an X, and a Y, meaning higher. Therefore, key levels, expanding flat wave B, blue box. How much higher it's going to be if we take the 1.38 here? That means, of course, you are very bullish. Again, meaning 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Why? I don't know. It's just the chart. If not, we move down ABC, expanding flat. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Then bullish, of course. Why I'm expecting this one more? Because, of course, on the daily is much more clear. On the daily, after a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you need a wave 4 in the yellow, reflecting this wave 2. This wave 2 is sharp and deep. Wave 4 took already the 0.23 and need to be a flat, which is an expanding flat. Therefore, very likely. Okay, so let's watch those key level. I'm looking for higher somehow for Palantir in both case scenarios. And that because of the corrective wave after it, or the current one and the current price action. It's still sideways and corrective. All right, let's start with your special request guys, JOBY Aviation. All right, we did this before. Great. Let's go all-time history. Okay. Ugly one, but still okay. 3 ways up, 3 ways down. This is your wave B. And you have kind of like, yeah, this is your low. You have kind of like a very choppy wave here. But this is clear for me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what is that here? Is it a 1 ABC, 1, 2, and then 1, and then 1, 2 here, and then 3? Okay, can be. However, what I'm interested in is that you have already a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. No invalidation taken yet, invalidation of bullish, and you're still looking for higher. Why? Because you are in 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So it should be like kind of like a long one. Now, if you are in a wave C and in a regular flat, you hit the target, you move down. Let's move inside it. Is it impulsive moving down? Well, yes. So you have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by 3 ways up, which is obviously zigzag. Why? Because you did not reach even the 1-to-1 fib level or exactly the 1-to-1 fib level. Let me check. Yes. Zigzag. Well, even above it. Yeah, but even if you want to count this as a 1-2 here, you cannot because you have invalidation. Okay, so definitely this is another reason. Okay, however, if this is kind of like a triangle, you might still looking for higher. So very, very, very choppy and tricky. Okay, direction of the market is obviously here kind of like lower. And obviously, this is kind of 3 ways. Now, if this is going to be a 1, 2, 1, 2, can transform, yes, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay. So you got to be careful with this one. I don't like it. I prefer to have a better chart to trade. Honestly, not recommended so far in this zone right now. Just to get a better, of course, price action. Bon, hey, good morning. How you doing, buddy? Welcome to our live stream. Nice to see you, buddy. So, yep, that it regarding JOBY. I don't recommend it yet. Okay, so be careful with it. And that because we hit the target, we see impulse not clear yet. And yeah, why risking, right? Why risking? All right. BITFARMS. I think we saw it yesterday. But if we have more time, yes, sure. BITFARMS. If we have more time, we're gonna check at least very fast. Okay. AMAT, which is a 41 minute 30. Okay, we did this before. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Nice chart. 4 and a 5. Yes, we're looking for the wave 5 in the blue zone here. And inside it, let's move inside it. What do we have? After a wave 4, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 1, okay. Wave 2, perfect hit. You move simply for higher. Okay, so we're moving higher. Very simple. Targets before the main target, if you want here, you're looking there for the wave 3 impulse. You're looking for this zone, buddy. $350 around it. Can be, of course, the uncommon target, but the common target is $350. And of course, you're still looking for higher later on to hit, of course, this potential blue box here, okay, which is in common. Yes, you used to own applied material at 1. Okay. Used to own applied materials at 1.00 SMH. I don't really understand it so much, buddy. What do you mean exactly? Sorry, man. If you can clarify so I can reply. Dow Jones at 43-minute. Dow Jones. Here we go. All right, Dow Jones, yes, target hit, blue zone hit, and we mentioned if we see, of course, further higher prices, it can be some extensions unfolding here. And that means, of course, extension when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, already extended wave 5 anyway. Your wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, this wave 5 can be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. This is the extension. Okay? So basically, you still can be in several 1, 2s here, turning wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Therefore, the blue box can still, of course, reach the major blue box 1.618. $48 is very likely. Risky, yes. Can be risky, of course, because, you're moving right now a little bit blinded. Just, okay, that I want to reach this zone, right? In a very extended wave 5. So can, of course, have higher prices. All right. No worries. I used to be a shareholder of that stock and an average cost of $1 share. Oh, okay. Good one, buddy. So good luck with your trade. And of course, trade safe always. So I need to hydrate again. Sorry, guys. All right. So the next one is MU. Here we go. Micron technology. I think we did this before. I think that is. I think this is NASDAQ. Okay. Because I remember, I think we did this before. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, can be okay. Wave 5. Wave 4 doesn't reflect so much wave 2, but it's still fine. I don't like it. Honestly, I don't like it. Okay. Even wave 5 longer than wave 3 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But knowing that it looks like. Okay. Okay, guys. All right. So be careful. Be careful with this one. It might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially. Can be. Or, yeah, we have to consider it as an impulse. But I don't like the finishing here. 1, 2, 3. Where is 4, 5? Okay, we're gonna use both case scenarios and of course use the key level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it is a potential W, X, and a Y. Okay, and then we have an ABC, and then you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or even leading diagonal can be, of course. I'm gonna take it as leading diagonal probably here, but let me check first. So wave 1, wave 2, and if this is a wave 3, oh, okay, no, we cannot. It's at a triple 1, 2s. So actually even, oh my god, how many 1, 2s here? Unless this is a leading diagonal again. Yes, I'm gonna take this as a leading diagonal because several 1, 2s like this is kind of impossible. Yeah. So we're gonna take this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. and we have here another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and we have another 1, 2, expanding flat, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, and this is your blue. So yep, so this is what we're looking at here, a potential leading diagonal. I'm gonna take, of course, the target taken from the wave 1 to the wave 2. Obviously we're moving for an impulse here, yes. So okay, that is very high. I'm not going logarithmic here for safety, of course, and I'm gonna mention only the $318. Now it can go logarithmic, yes, it can go logarithmic. Once you break the 2.618, you go logarithmic. You can go directly to very high, but that is very risky, guys. Of course, a very rare case that it happens just like that. So therefore, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. What you would like to see after the wave 3 is waves 4 sideways. Why? Because you have very deep wave 2s. Meaning, after wave 3, you might start to see triangles move up. Triangles move up. Okay? So this is what we might see because of the wave 2 alternations with the wave 4. Now, after this, if this is going to transform into a bigger A, B, and a C here, okay, it can be an extended wave C, right? We're going to take it blue. And it can be, of course, a 1, 2. We're going to take it with a grain of salt here. Okay, so it's not perfect as a wave 1, as a wave 1 here was this wave 5, but yeah, well, sometimes you have to close one eye on it. Okay, all right. That's it. Your target currently is 318 potentially. Next one is CRM. We're going to start on 15 minutes. Here we go. CRM. Salesforce. Yes, this is for Shafi. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wow. Okay. Are we extending? Meaning, are we looking for a longer wave 5 in 1, 2 here? Well, can be very likely. Let's move on the daily to see this wave 2 in case it is. So, if this is your wave 1 finished, you're looking here at a potential impulse. And that means, of course, 1, 2, wave 3 finished, wave 4, wave 5 is definitely an ending diagonal. If this happens, and we see, of course, further downtrend as an ending diagonal because zigzag wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5, that might be, of course, an impulse. And that means, of course, your A, B, and a C. So you're still looking for lower. Therefore, that's why my blue box is very low, which is, of course, the last potential scenario for wave 2. If broken, taking the 886, this is your signal. We're going for lower A, B, and a C potential, or yeah, lower even bearish. Yeah, can be bearish, but basically you can be in a in a finished wave 5, meaning bearish. Not bearish actually, because it's still impulse, but wave 5 finished there. Wave 1 meaning deep wave 2. Minimum target, yes, $54. Can it be? Again, this is repeating in confluence with NASDAQ, Tesla, and Nvidia tops, and S&P, of course. Another stock, yeah, another stock showing a potential finished wave 1. So the crying might start very soon. Okay, that's ironic. Sorry, guys. I don't mean it. So let's see Amazon 52. Amazon AMZ. Okay. For Amazon, we are looking at the all-time history. Again, I prefer to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 3. Be careful. It might be finished wave 5. Okay, because wave 1 here can be, of course, finished, and you're looking for wave 2. Maybe this is the ABC expanding flat. I'm gonna check, of course. Don't forget that also it can be a finished wave 3 and you're looking for wave 4. Okay, why? Because you finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extended wave 3 as guideline. When you have extended wave 3, you don't have really strong wave 5. Normally they have the same length, same time, which is perfect, right? So we gotta be careful. It's a guideline, very important one. Now let's move inside it to see if this is a finished wave 1 really. Well, yes, very likely that we are in a finished wave 1 and potentially we're starting a new impulse here, yes. So basically on the 4 hours chart, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Wow, okay. 4 and a 5. We're expecting, oh, a target hit. Sorry, it has been a very, very long time I didn't analyze Amazon, but here we go. Target hit already. So we have 1, 2, and it looks like, 1 second, guys. I'm expecting 1, 2. Yeah, target hit, but even the pattern is not looking good as bullish as an impulse. I'm gonna just take a look, guys. Clean up. Okay, it's a WX and a Y. So yeah, W, X, and a Y. 3 ways, and that means after an impulse downward, we're looking for 1, 2 or ABC, and that means whether you are in a wave 2 still here, as mentioned also on the daily, by the way, wave 2 impulse. Here we go. Sorry, I'm thinking 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, so this wave 4, 5 is not finished. Okay, it can be wave 4 therefore. 4 and a 5, but I think, yes, this is, oof, truncated even. Oh, what an ugly price. Truncated. Or wave 2. Yeah. Okay, final decision. You are potentially in a wave 2, but before coming to this wave 2, we have testing area for a wave 4. Testing area. Very simple. Meaning, if we see a uptrend here, it might, of course, come back for an impulse here. Very easy. Because, of course, this might turn into a zigzag. Here we go. Zigzag. 1-to-1 fib level in confluence would be great, right? So $208. We're going to see how it's going to be. If this is coming there and moving up like this, okay, this is your wave 5. Blue box still to be hit. Meaning it can be, of course, a 1-2 again there and then moving for higher. Okay. If the price continues and breaks this area, okay, you gotta be careful. You're moving for a big wave 2, A, B, and a C. That's it. Okay. All right. That's it for Amazon. Let's see HIMS. 5640. HIMS. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4 and a 5. We're looking for the final wave 5. What's going on in it? Oh, okay. So in the wave 5 here, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, ABC for a wave 4. No invalidation. No invalidation taken, meaning you're still in an impulse. Plus ABC perfect hit the 1-to-1 fib level, you move for higher. Confirmation for lower if you break under it, yeah? Because that will remove the ABC, yeah? And then you're moving for higher. Still target can be taken, let's say over there. If we take it, let's take this one, this high, wave 5. Yeah. This is your target in this zone. Okay. Preferably, of course, this zone. Blue box. From 77 to 85, which is the most common. Okay. This is for HIMS. Still looking fine. DeFi at 58. DeFi. Okay. Hashdex Bitcoin ETF. Okay. Never did this. Nice. Okay. Very choppy, but obviously it is an impulse one, too. So we have 1, 2. Oh, it looks like Bitcoin. Somehow when it started the latest bull run. Sorry guys, I have it in my mind. The pattern is still, I see it every day. So it is the same wave too. Okay, that's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 3, 4. Oh, this is Bitcoin chart. Is a triple one two that we have in our bull run lately. Okay, I mean this is very close to Bitcoin. So that's very easy. Actually, it's gonna be. So you might have finished wave 5 here. You might be in an A, B, and a C. Okay, expanding flat. But you might be as well in an extended wave 5, which is of course the ending diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This requires a little bit lower and then moving for higher. You can simply go to our crypto channel, watch every day our daily analysis for Bitcoin. This is so much similar. It's the same. And it looks like it is following the same. Hashtags Bitcoin. Okay, ETF. All right. MRNA. So, and currently, of course, today I'm potentially looking for higher for Bitcoin, by the way. And I'm looking at my chart also and my trade. Just a second, guys. Sorry. Great. Everything looks, yeah, very bullish in crypto today. So yeah, expect also for this one DeFi to move higher. 60-minute we are in MRNA. Moderna. Moderna isn't the corona vaccination. Okay, that is okay. It's done. It's done, and it looks like yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your ABC is very close, of course, to finish, but yeah, you still need a little bit lower. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish properly here, and then you move for higher. But be careful, nothing is sure. It might be 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, because I know that this is related, I think, to corona vaccination, and it's gone. I mean, fundamentally, you won't be interested, honestly. And obviously, it is clear in the chart, so be careful. Not recommended. TTD 01, and I think yeah, I think I had this vaccination in Corona time, Moderna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for TTD, A, B, and a C. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, target already hit. Even yeah, not in a wave 2 here. You took the low. Wow. Very interesting. So look what happened here. We had an impulse. So something very critical happened in this chart. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So the direction of the market was okay. I was expecting maybe ABC there, but the direction of the market was a little bit here clear that we move impulsive again. But the things invalidated directly. So what happened in this one? I don't know. Internally, be careful because you took the low invalidation of any kind of impulsive. This might turn into ABC or WX and a wave Y, and you dive very deep. Anyway, expected for this scenario already in case it happens. Always we expect this. So 3 ways down, 3 ways up. You are in a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You might be, of course, here in kind of like a diagonal as well to hit this target, common target 1.61832. So yeah, be careful. You're looking for lower. And especially anyway, why we are very confident that it might still looking for lower because you have, of course, here 3 waves up, invalidation, wave 5 longer than wave 3, no diagonal. So yeah, definitely corrective. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you finished over there. You need a correction 3 waves. Here we go. And you still need to take the low, meaning blue box. Sorry for talking very fast. So QGEN, 1 hour 03. QGEN, right? High not taken. Okay, ugly one. A, B, and a C, and followed by ABC as well, and followed by, okay, it can be 1, 2. No, it cannot be. Why? Because we have several 1, 2s potentially here. Therefore, I'm looking at this kind of like corrective. Why? Because it cannot also be diagonal. It's a little bit expanding, which is very rare. Okay, look what's gonna happen in this tricky one. I think this is your ending diagonal. Why? Because you have a clear impulse here. It has to be a zigzag, A, B, C. Okay, so very tricky chart here. A, B, and a C. And you got kind of like another corrective wave here as an expanding flat. Can be an A, B, and a C. Can turn into running flat. Can be, guys, but this is very complex. Okay, be careful from this chart. And this is a low. If this is your ABC running flat, you might continue one more leg toward the upside. And to gather it here, you are looking at a potential WX and a Y. So W, X, and a Y. Finally, it can be an A, B, sorry, big W, X, and a Y. W, X, and a Y. So be careful with this one. It can move for higher, definitely. Okay, it can be. And that because, of course, ABC finished here. You have a correction. It can be even just simply this is your only correction. And it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why as well. So I'm going to place this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, but this will ends up as a potential A, B, and a C. Okay. Or W, X, and a Y again. And by the way, anyway, you are in 3 ways from the beginning, meaning it's a corrective chart. Sooner or later, you will drop down. Okay. So be careful with this one. I'm not going to give targets because, yeah, it's not really good one to risk your money with. 0.6 for Meta. Okay, for Meta, let's go all-time history. Yes, we are in a potential wave 1 or a wave A here, wave B or a wave 2. We look for higher. We are in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. And this might be your wave 2 after 0.38. Yes, great. You finish wave 1 again. Another stock in the pocket for a wave 1, guys. Be careful. Another stock in the pocket here. We might be in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be 1, 2. And obviously, this is going to be something for crying again. Okay, so be careful. All right, so it's not looking good. The target is given and it is playing there. Now, key level, let's give some key level also. Yes, we are at the 1-to-1 fib level. If broken, you're unfolding a wave 3 to down there. If reversed, okay, can be something else, but I doubt it. You need, after an impulse, you need a deep correction, unless you are in ABC zigzag, which is not nice. But yeah. All right, so let's check very fast also a BITFARM at 1 hour 9 minutes. And let's see. Sorry, yes. BITFARM, NASDAQ. So for BITFARM, I'm still looking for this wave E. Of course, this trend line has to be broken. I believe it can be, since Bitcoin is showing potential for higher prices. Further signals to be bullish here, invalidation of triangle 4.14, then you move very high. That was it for today live stream, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your likes and for your kind words. And of course, I wish you had to have a nice day. And of course, good luck with your trades. Trade safe. Bye bye.